come this way a lot.
Down. Test fitting the ceiling. Yeah, because I think we had to wedge it up there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to wedge it up there, right, Dave?
Yeah.
Me and Dave side.
Because it was a bitch to get it down. It was a bitch to get it down.
Wire and shit. Look, there's a clamp right here in the way.
Somebody need to shave this corner just a hair. Yeah, she needs to be shaved.
Is that one in? That one, mine's in.
Yeah.
It's just Dave.
You just gotta
that
smack
corner.
that back corner in and it would be good.
She's right there. Hold on, hold on.
Yeah,
Every time you're doing that, she's going forward. Every time you're doing that. Hey, I wonder if we got a pry bar. Just pry that and just prod it right in and the place tight. You doing that tight like that? I guarantee you, maybe she has to be a better fit.
Well, we gotta put glue.
Yeah, we gotta do it up. Yeah. Maybe we should just shave a little.
All right, man. We got we've been slacking here lately, so yeah, we need to put in some work on the Tahoe. So yeah, we'll check back.
This one's in here. No, it ain't all the way up. Hell no, not like mine is.
Yeah, it is.
Why you putting in work?
Hey man, make it up for the time I wasn't here, you guys.
That's all good.
Yeah. All I do is work and tend to a baby and change shitty diapers. Ain't nothing wrong with that, so.
I like
That's
that.
like a little dollop.
Dollop. Alright. Set that bitch down. David holding it in. Look, he look like Picasso putting in a painting. Look, yeah. Putting in my masterpiece. Fucking praise the Lord.
Smack it.
Smack it.
Oh shit, already in there, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, it's about to come out. Oh, Wayne, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Wrong way, Wayne. There you go.
Son of a bitch. Put up.
That's pretty work right there. I like that a lot.
Let's see.
All right. There you go.
Beat on that top.
Beat on it. Yeah, get up
Beat on the top and beat on.
Up top. Oh, hell yeah. What is that? Goddamn. Yeah. Yeah, she's still.
Yeah. Yep. We got the beauty one over there, but.
Bud Light Power.
But yeah, Bud Light.
Powered by Bud Light.
Yeah, sponsored by. Sponsored by a lot of Bud Lights and patience.
Brought to you by.
Now,
All right.
Now time for more patience.
Yep.
Time to
Cool.
serve a bowl. You're more into circle cutting base port holes and speaker boxes and shit.
Yeah, I was cutting holes in.
Yeah. He was doing pretty
All
good.
right, now look. I'll cut this when someone's got to hold this.
All right.
Last piece.
He's cheating?
What, with my finger on the side? Hey, you can do it too, dude. It's just like playing pool. You know, what do you do when you got that bitch up nice and smooth?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Hey, look. He's checking me out. Look, he's checking me out. Hey, man, I learned a lot of shit from a lot of old carpenters, man. I'm dead serious.
very straight with a jigsaw.
God damn.
Oh man.
Now that's what you call craftsmanship.
Yes, sir. Let's get this.
We do need to sand this though before it goes in.
All right.
That's pretty fucking.
Damn infinity eraser.
Yeah, we should have put some wood for it now.
Old top seat looking good. That's the man of the build right there. Putting in some work. And go all up here, cover all this up. Still got a lot of work to do down here. Cover all this here. Probably panel this off. Not sure yet. A lot of empty space in there.
BC, yeah, BC. One of them motherfuckers.
BC brothers.
Late night shit. Starting the amp rack platform for the old hell. PLX 8 for the win. I don't think so either. Like I said, you ripped that up. Because I mean, Kyle Rutherford told me, when you go take that out, you're going to need a hammer and a chisel. And it's going to splinter every piece of wood that you got. So, yes, sir. Oh. Yeah. Cool. We got to get her somewhat show ready anyway. Got my oh, you can't see it, but I got my doors on. So, yeah, don't get that stuff on your fingers. All right.
Now.
Yeah.
That's nice and convenient though.
Oh yeah.
The hell.
Oh, we're breaking out the new box of screws, huh? All right, here you go.
Don't yeah, I got it on drill, so don't ratch down on it. Be careful.
All right. Don't ratch down on it.
Don't ratch down.
Don't ratch down on it. Where's she at?
She's in there.
Right here.
Is she in there?
Going in blind. Everyone hit the wrong hole. Oh, hey, shit.
You hit the wrong hole.
Yeah, he's way
I
off.
think you went in too far.
Oh, I went back too far. Yeah, I'm just on the outside of it. Get the hell out of here. I'm just on the outside of it.
Angle it.
Wow.
I got this on tape. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I got it on tape.
Oh, I'm gonna edit that out.
He's an editor.
AM bloopers.
There we go.
There you go.
Alright.
AM bloopers.
Just put one. Damn. He kicked it back.
Yeah, you recording all that, Josh?
There you go, right there.
Say hopefully you move the whole 2x4.
No, he didn't.
No, I probably won't hit the hole again.
There. That looks better, bro.
Good?
Yeah.
Want to put a square on that? Huh? Want a square? Want a square on that?
I just know you didn't want to fuck a
Hey,
4-inch
motherfucker
gap
can
over
swear
there.
on that bitch.
Sitting sideways, man.
Hey, sit inside.
I mean, you know, it is 2 o'clock in the morning. It's pulling the whole shit.
The whole
past
2x4 move
It
there.
was sliding.
There you
Pushing
go.
it down.
Yeah.
3
Yeah,
o'clock.
it's sliding. Yeah, the PLX needs a.
Yeah, only need a couple screws and let that shit set up for the night. I I would.
All right.
Build off of that.
Yeah, she's sliding.
Yeah.
As long as she's back up against it.
Is there anything important right here underneath this fucking hump?
No, but I'm saying if you pull it down, it's gonna create a
bow.
It's already got a bow in it. If you put one in the middle, then it'd sink her down just a little bit.
Go for it, Josh.
If it
Just a
fucking
little.
grabs,
Go
it
for it,
might
buddy.
not grab.
Go
I see
for
a
it,
little,
man.
I see a
I
little
just put
bow in
one
it.
right
Just
there.
Just right in the middle.
right in the middle. Just
Right in
one
the
right in the middle. There you go. Yeah, that looks way flatter right there like that. Josh, you ought to stay in there like that. All night. Oh, you can sleep right here.
I want to see it go through that metal.
Got it on backup.
What the hell?
Work on that one.
God damn.
Might want to try a new. Might want to try a new screw. I think you probably doesn't. Yeah. You know. Yeah, they messed their head up. Take two.
That's hitting something. It bit through the metal.
Hey, we need shorter screws.
Yeah.
We need a shorter screw or something.
It's hitting
Yeah.
something. Fucking
Hit something real hard.
Give me one of them shorter ones, Dave.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, he's gonna have to sit up after put that screw in the middle.
Yeah.
Y'all didn't think I caught that, did you?
Good catch, man.
Should I do the same hole? Or should I try a new one?
No, good same hole, man.
Push back far enough against the thing.
Ain't gonna go, man.
It'll hold it. Maybe it'll hold it from sliding though for tonight. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Oh no.
It ain't.
All right. Look, we gotta build the frame up now.